All tears of joy, all tears of joy. Keki, man. How's your health? What's wrong with you? Partial stroke. And why have you not gotten treatment since?
Because of the payments we're supposed to
Because of the payments you're meant to make. And because of that, you refuse to.
they stopped treating for 3 weeks now.
For 3 weeks, they've not taken the medication. So for 3 weeks now, you've not been treated because of finance.
Yes.
Okay. So now, multi-lifesavers through Ejike Mbaka wants to give you this deposit. This through Ejike Mbaka. This deposit to start your treatment today. Then we'll taking up the responsibility to pay this bill. Ejike Mbaka has taken up his responsibility to ensure he pays the bills whenever she gets on her feet. Okay. So this money is for treatment.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
God
We are very grateful. Our regards are
God will
that
keep him long life and prosperity.
Amen.
No one will
No
see
confirmation
Mbaka,
against him shall prosper.
passion from against Ejike Mbaka will prosper in Jesus' name.
All tears of joy, all tears of joy.
The Lord is with you, yeah?
Tears of joy.
Who can rely on him? Sorry. Sorry, yeah?
Mommy. Yeah. By God's grace, multi-lifesavers through Ejike Mbaka will ensure we pay your bills and restore your life back. You will not. So now we want you to be alive. I want you to come back to life. I want you to be happy. We want you to enjoy life. So your treatment will commence today. This is just a deposit of 200,000 to start the treatment today. I think it should be more than 200, so we'll try the treatment today. So basically, we'll come back again to make subsequent payments. Yeah, to ensure you are okay. In any way we can support, we'll make sure we support you. Ejike Mbaka is the one that is supporting Ejike Mbaka from Montilla. This one
People will continue to sustain him. Give him long life and prosperity.